The animation industry is booming, generating billions of dollars, with YouTube creators making millions through simple 2D animations. Even if you're a complete beginner or can't handle complex software like Blender, don't worry. We'll use AI to create stunning animation videos with just a few prompts. Let's dive into the exciting world of AI animation. Step 1. Generate a story with ChatGPT. I'll give a simple prompt. Write a short adventure story in 200 words. For this tutorial, I'm keeping it basic, but step 2, create animation with Steve AI. Now that we have our story, it's time to animate it. First, create a Steve AI account by clicking Sign Up for Free and using your email or Google account. After logging in, you'll land on the creator page where the magic happens. Here, you'll find options like text to video, text to animation, and more. For this tutorial, click Text to Animation. Now choose your video type. I'm selecting Animation and set the video ratio to AIUnlocks 16:9, the best format for YouTube. Next, pick a video category and give your project a title. Once done, click Create Sample Script. We'll use our ChatGPT story instead. Step 3. Fine-tuning your animation. For example, in the first scene, you might want to change the background. Simply click on the footage, select Change Background, and choose one that fits your video. You can also tweak colors to match your theme. In the second scene, if your story mentions an ancient map, but the visuals aren't relevant, you can fix that by clicking on the avatar, choosing Change Character, and selecting a more suitable map under Active Properties. Be sure to go through all the scenes, making changes where needed. This is a key part of making your animation look professional. Though I'm fast-forwarding for time, I recommend time to add a voiceover. You can either record your own or use Steve AI's voice generation feature. For this tutorial, I'll use Steve AI's built-in voice. Select your preferred language, accent, and gender. For the voiceover, go with Joanna for this project. Once selected, click Generate. Step 5. Publish and share. Now that everything is set, it's time to publish your video. Click on Publish, and Steve AI will begin processing the video. Once the rendering is complete, you can download the final product and upload it to your YouTube channel.